learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and I think it's time to introduce another great Hakka dish on the air.
要介紹一些好吃的東西，
沒錯，
引起大家的食慾。
哎，很好 ，Let's hear it.
今天的介紹這一道菜呢，就是我們用客家的食材來做一個西式的吃法。
Oh, really?Okay, this is gonna be a fusion dish, as we call it. Okay, 我们英文会说 fusion， 就是有些可能把日式料理跟意大利放在一起，
结合在一起，
日意的这个结合的一个创意料理。那这个是
就是客西料理，
西客料理。好，跟哪一种料理结合在一起呢？
哦，应该算是意大利菜。意大利的千层面啊
？No way! An Italian Hakka dish is what we're going to introduce right now.
我们先来讲一下这个名称好了。
好，
这个名称就叫做千层焗烤板條。
A lasagna Hakka dish. 千層焗烤板條。千層 okay, that's 1,000 layers. 焗烤
就焗烤
baked. Okay, with cheese, of course. 这一定用到 cheese 嘛，对不对？
板
條板條 Okay, that is the Hakka rice noodles. Oh, so instead of using pasta, we're using 板條。就等于是把这个意大利面的那个千层面啊，
对，把那面皮改成用板条来取代。因为板条其实客家人比较爱吃米食的东西，对面食东西比较少吃一点，所以那个就把用板条来取代之后，那个口感其实又不太一样嘞。
So this is very creative. Instead of using the Italian pasta, we're replacing it with the Hakka rice noodles. Okay, it's called 板条。所以这做法应该是跟 lasagna 那个千层面一样嘛，
跟千层面其实是一样的。
那里面你的食材还是一样，会用到那些番茄啦、洋葱啊。
材料的部分呢，其实都是有的。那就番茄呢，我们就要tomato 嘛，然后还有加那个台葱条，洋葱，然后还有一些蒜头。
Okay, that all makes sense. So the ingredients are very similar as making a lasagna, and you use tomato. 你说番茄怎么说？Tomato 就是 tomato, okay? It's a direct translation. And then 有洋葱，
葱
条 and then 蒜头 okay, that's garlic. And you have this what's called the 千層焗烤板條。
千層焗烤板條
Okay, that again is the Hakka lasagna. So there you go. You can try this out yourself. Another great dish in the Hakka culture. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼泰嘎？
安子say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.